Hey MSquad, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls.
Tell me how you want it. Coming up, brother in the casket. Tell me how you want it.
In today's video, I will be showing you all a twist out tutorial. So I will be showing you all how I twist up my hair. And I think it is very important that I share this twist out tutorial because I find that it works really well on multi-textured hair. As you all know, I have a whole bunch of different curl patterns on my hair, and I've learned that it is important to definitely twist your hair based on that texture. And I learned this from a YouTuber by the name of Ebony with a V. I'll link her video where she was talking about it in my description box. But ever since I watched that video, I've been kind of playing around with the different textures on my hair, trying to see what it likes so that I get a bomb twist out. And I finally was able to conduct a method which I would like to share with you all. But before we jump into this video, if you like this video, you know what you gotta do. Please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Make sure you comment in the comment section. And in the comment section, tell me if you like medium size twist or chunky size twist. For me, I kind of like a mixture of both. I like to do a little chunky action in the back, and when I get to the front, I kind of gradually make them smaller. I just like how it leaves my hair looking, but by all means, you don't have to do that. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. as well as every Saturday at 3 p.m. And if the post notification bell is not on, be sure to turn it on so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. And last but not least, if you're not following me on Instagram, my name on Instagram is @KinkyCurlyMary. We are close to 4,000 deep, MSquad. Be sure to follow me if you aren't following me, because I think I might be doing a 4K giveaway. Like, I don't know, I'm just, I'm thinking about it. I don't know. I really love and appreciate all of you, so I kind of want to do something to give back to you all. But if you're not following me on Instagram, you're gonna have to follow me on Instagram for more details on that. Without any further ado, we're just gonna hop into the demo portion of the video because I really can't wait to share my tips and tricks with you all, and I hope it really works for some of you. And if it does, please be sure to tag me on Instagram on any of your posts via story or just on your feed, because I would love to see how your hair turns out if you follow my method. We're just gonna hop into the video right now. Alright y'all, so I am starting off with 4 sections, and as you can see, I sectioned my hair a specific way, and this is just to avoid that weird gap that I typically get when I part my hair, the typical 4 sections. So I am starting off with stretch hair, and I'm going to just dampen it a little bit before applying my product. And today I am going to be using the Kennedi Simone Naturals Mango and Shea Hair and Body Butter, and I am just going to make sure that I apply that butter all throughout this section because I want to make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized throughout the week. One of my key tips for having a really bomb twist out is to make sure that your hair is moisturized as well as very detangled. So after that, I am going to seal that moisture in with the anti-itch hair growth oil from the same company. And I really like these 2 products together because the oil is very lightweight and the butter is thick, but it literally melts into your hair. The next tip that I have for you all is to start off with even sections. So I section that section into 2, and then I start to twist the hair. I kind of do a weird twisting rope-like method. I kind of twist and then I rotate the hair. And I find that when I twist my hair like this, I get really good definition. So I've been trying to implement that into my twist out routines when I do have time. But I literally twist until I get until the end of my hair. And once I get to the end of my hair, I like to coil that section because it just keeps the twist nice and together. Usually when I twist all the way down, my hair doesn't stay together. So I like to coil it just to seal that twist in. I don't know if that makes sense, but it just works for me. So as you can see, I am just coiling my hair. I found that when I cater to all of my specific textures within my hair, my twist out comes out really nice. So what I've been doing is kind of learning my hair and learning how it curls, and based off of that, I kind of learned how to twist my hair. And you will definitely see once I get to the front of my hair, I twist my hair a specific way. But in the back, I kind of do the same type of method because the back of my hair is very kinky. Actually, the sides of my hair is the kinkiest part of my hair, but the back is pretty kinky as well. And yeah, so I will be back on here to explain how I twist the front of my hair. But real quickly, I really like this hair butter and this oil together because the hair butter is nice and thick, but it literally melts into the strands of your hair. And then the oil is so lightweight, and because it's so lightweight, it just applies so smoothly onto your strands, and it doesn't leave your hair feeling greasy, but it gives a nice shine. And I really like how this hair butter smells. It kind of smells like cocoa to me. I don't know if there's like, I don't know, it just has like a nice little cocoa hint to it. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue the back sections of my hair, and I will be back once I get to the front of my hair. I wanted to really quickly point out how important it is to keep your hair moisturized, and also you don't really need any of those fancy twisting butters or like twisting gels, because literally, as you all will see in a couple of seconds, I applied the butter to my hair as well as water, and then I used the brush to detangle my hair, and my kinks were popping, sis, okay? Like when I tell you my hair was popping, it was popping. I haven't seen my curls pop like that in a while with just butter, but look at how my hair is looking. But yeah, I just wanted to show you all how important it is to moisturize your hair, because once your hair is moisturized, your definition will be so bomb. Okay, so what I wanted to point out to you all is that when I get to the front of my hair, I do a hanging Bantu knot. And the reason why I do this is because the front of my hair is very loose. And when I don't do this hanging Bantu knot, my hair tends to unravel very easily in the front. So this is just to ensure that my hair kind of blends together with the front of my hair blends together with the back of my hair. So the front couple of sections, I think it was like 5 twists, I actually ended up doing hanging Bantu knots, and I've learned that when I do this, I get the best results. My hair comes out so nice, and I don't have to worry about blending the hair to make it look uniformed. So yeah, that's what I wanted to point out to you all. Okay, so I sat under my hooded dryer for about an hour and a half, and my hair is completely dry. And starting off on dry hair definitely shortens the drying process when styling your hair. So literally what I'm doing is unraveling my twist the opposite direction of the way I twisted it. And I find when I do this, I get little to no frizz. And then I separate my hair where it naturally wants to separate. So I don't try and force the separation. As you can see, I literally pull on the strand and see where it naturally wants to separate. And I've learned when doing this that I get some really good definition and volume. And like I mentioned before, 0 to no frizz. But as you can see, my hair is super shiny. There is some great definition. And on top of that, since I started off on stretched hair, as I mentioned, there is also a ton of volume, which I really love. Now that we are at the front section of my hair, I just want to point out how well it turned out. And it's all thanks to the hanging Bantu knots that I did. I forgot to mention before, but I got this idea from Bubs B. I see that when she twists her whole entire head, she does that. But I've learned that I don't actually need to do it for my whole entire head. I literally only have to do it for the front section. And it just gives me some really good definition, as well as a really nice curl pattern, and it matches the rest of my hair, which I really like. So definitely, if you are a multi-textured girl like myself, try out this method and let me know how it works for you. I just love how my hair turned out, and I will continuously follow this method because it just works so well for myself. And that is all for my video today. As you all can see, my hair came out so nice, and it feels amazing. It is so soft and it's just so voluminous. I literally love my hair. I hope you all try this method out. I hope it works for you all because it's just so bomb, especially if you have similar texture to me, like if your hair is the same like mine. So if the front of your hair is very loose and the sides are very kinky, please be sure to follow this method and let me see it. So tag me on Instagram because I would love to see it. If you like this video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment in the comments section. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. as well as every Saturday at 3 p.m. And if the post notification bell is not on, be sure to turn it on so that you are notified whenever those videos go up. And last but not least, if you are not following me on Instagram, my name on Instagram is at Kinky Curly Mary. Be sure to follow me. We're so close to 4,000 followers, so 4,000 deep MSquad. But yeah, I just love and appreciate you so much.
Thank you guys so much for all this support, and just thank you.
Until next time, MSquad, peace and love always. Bye.